Let us start working with the pointer arithmetics in C language. So we already know that pointer holds the address of the variable and it holds the address in the form of numeric value where we can perform mathematical operator. So let us suppose we have a pointer of integer type and its address is 4000, and when we do p plus plus, that is the pointer variable, then it will increment by 2 bytes and the next integer is 4002, that it will start to point. So based on the platform, it may also have 4 byte for integer variable, and same for the character pointer. While incrementing, it will increment by 1 byte, and for float and double it will increment respectively. So let us start creating a sample program that will print the address and the value, and we will see how we can increment with the help of pointer variable. Let us define the array of value, so we are just trying to print the value as well as the corresponding address for that variable. So you can see it is printing the hexadecimal address for each variable and its value. Now let us define the pointer variable. And we have assigned the starting address of the array n. So here we will just try to see what will happen when I am doing p plus plus, where p is the pointer variable. So we have to define the star on the very start. We have to define star p. So you can see value is 1 and the address is FFEC, and in address we have the same and when we are incrementing by p plus plus, then it is simply moving to the next address of the corresponding data type. So if we are creating an array of character, so character simply takes 1 byte and integer takes 2 byte in computer memory. So when we are incrementing the integer pointer, then it is incrementing by 2 bytes, and when we are incrementing the character pointer, so based on the data type, it will increment by 1 bytes. So let us see. We will try to print the address of each and every address corresponding to the character array using pointer, and we will get the difference. What if we are doing then integer pointer plus plus and character pointer plus plus? So we have assigned in character pointer the C array, character array, and let's see. So you can see the integer pointer is incrementing by 2 bytes and the character pointer is incrementing by 1 bytes. So this is how it works. And based on the memory, it is incrementing by 1. You can see double F E6, double F E7, etc. So that's all we can work with pointer arithmetic. Thank you so much.